Hi all, welcome back. In this video, we will explore the filter using color option in Microsoft Excel. So I have created one table, this one, and the columns are region, city, Indian cities, and sales amount in crore and year. These four are the columns, and I have put some data in it, and purposefully I have made a color coding. Like for all the south region rows, I have put them in saffron color. All the east region rows, I have put them in blue color, and west region rows are marked in green, and north region row are marked in white. Now first I have to apply the filter in the whole table. So I will select the whole table, go to home tab, and then in the right hand side I will find sort and filter option. So in this drop down I will click, and from here I will select filter, and after applying filter you can see these buttons arrived in the column positions. These four buttons, these are the filter buttons, filter drop downs. So what I will do, like I want all the green region cells, all the green cells in means all the green cells come together. So what I will do, I will go to the region or any field, and then I will click on this drop down button and go to filter by color option. And here if I go there, then I will find the filter by cell color option is coming at the right side. So I want all the green rows together. So I will click on this green, and after that you can see all the green rows are together. So this is how we can make them all together, means all the green cells. Now if I want to remove the filter and if I want to see all the rows, means all the color rows, then what I will do, I will go to this button again, will click on that, and here is one option, clear filter from region. So I will click on that. So after clicking you can see that filter is gone and all the rows are coming now, means all region rows. Now next means one more example, like now I want all the blue cells together. So I can go to any field. Now I'm going to year field, this column, and again clicking on this button. Now I am going again to this filter by color, then I am clicking on the green color because I want all the green colored all the blue colored rows together. So I'm clicking on this, and after that you can see all the east region rows, all the blue colored rows are coming together. Now I want to remove the filter again and want to see all the rows, all colored rows. So I will again go to this link, or go to this button, we'll click on that and we'll click on this clear filter from here. So now you can see that all the rows, means saffron, green, white, blue, all the rows are coming together. So using this method we can easily filter rows using color, or again can remove the filter or clear the filter from them. So that's it for today. Thank you.